Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Altima side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Ensure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Nissan Altima model. Park your vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine. Finally, place a soft towel around the work area to protect your car's paint from scratches. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel trim piece, typically located near the mirror, using a trim removal tool. Next, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's adjustments and heating elements. Then, use your socket wrench to unscrew the 3 mounting bolts holding the mirror to the door. Finally, gently pull the old mirror away from the vehicle. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new side mirror onto the door's mounting studs, aligning the holes. Hand tighten the 3 mounting bolts first, then use your socket wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror, ensuring a snug and proper connection for all functions. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim piece, ensuring it snaps securely into place. Turn on your vehicle and test the new mirror's power adjustments, ensuring it moves correctly in all directions. If applicable, also check the heating function. Verify the mirror's stability and proper alignment. Finally, give the new mirror a quick clean for a polished finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.